Hey dolls! Wait, we need our coffee. So I have my coffee. I had to. So today, coffee ready. We are going to be taking down the Christmas decorations and just giving my apartment a refresh for the new year, but not for long because Valentine's Day stuff is going up next. Like these seasons just keep going by so fast. By the time you know it, we're gonna have Christmas up again. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, make yourself comfortable, and let's get this video started. Let's go, dolls.
That is my dream. Life is gonna be. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't.
So we are going to be taking down the tree first, and then I'm going to do the kitchen. So let's go and take down my Christmas tree. I'm probably not going to film all of it on camera because it's going to take such a long time to do it. So I am gonna possibly film the kitchen. That's what I really want to film because there's a lot to take down. So let's go and do it. It's like I'm delaying the inevitable. Part of why I'm delaying it is because there's a lot to take down. Like it's a lot to put up and it's a lot to take down. I don't know. Does it feel like it's easier to take down or easier to put up? I feel like it's easier to take down because you're just like pulling everything down and it's like you don't care. It doesn't need to be neat because you're going to redo it next year or you're going to buy new stuff next year. I feel putting it up takes more mind and thinking for me. Excuse the messy background. We are in the middle of just like changing all the rooms right now. But anyway, let's go to the living room and take down the Christmas decorations. It's so sad. So dolls, I'm going to start off with the living room first. I cannot believe that this has been up for a month and now it's going to be gone. I am so sad. I'm going to take down the pillows. Oh, it's so sad. And then replace it with like my regular pillows that are there, but they're not going to be regular pillows for long because Valentine's Day is coming up like the next week after I take this all down. So we're going to do that. I'm going to take that wreath down. I'm going to take all those balls down. So sad. I might not capture it on camera because when I put it up, it was a lot to put all of this up. So I'm gonna just capture probably taking those down. We shall see. I'm just gonna take as much as I can down and try and film as much as I can. It's gonna be a long process. And then I'm going to be, oops, I have a DIY on the table. I don't want to show you dolls. I'm gonna be working on the kitchen and taking all of that down. You probably just saw a sneak peek of the DIY. I'm gonna be taking the kitchen. Aren't you dolls gonna just miss this view? Such a stunning view. But it's gonna look so cute for Valentine's Day, but I'm gonna miss it. So gorgeous. So yeah, that's coming down. And then the living room, I'm possibly gonna film the living room off camera because it is a lot of work and I just wanna kind of focus. I might get a few clips of taking the balls down off the tree, but it's so gorgeous. I'm literally gonna miss this. I can't stop saying that. It's so gorgeous, but it has to come down. It has to be done by Christmas. Let's get to work. Dolls, the first decoration is coming down. This ball here. Oh no, I don't want this to happen. Actually, we'll take this one out first. It's kind of stuck. Oh, Christmas is done. Just like that. here is how my living room looks like. I wanted to like clean with you dolls, but I just couldn't. I was so tired, so I tried to capture as much as I could on camera of just like putting back everything together. This is how my living room looks like. It feels so much more like I can't describe it, but just, you know, when you finish cleaning, it just feels like taking away the decorations. It just feels so much cleaner and so much more organized. I don't know, something about Christmas begins to feel very cluttery in January. So I love Christmas, but I feel so much fresher now. Like, look, everywhere is just fresh. Look at that spring-like. I just love it. So for now, this is how it's gonna look like. I wanted to show you something. So this over here, it says 𝗬𝗏𝗺𝗺. This was meant for my glam room. And now I'm going to change it back to elbeeldn. I thought I might have this in my dining room, the 𝗬𝗏𝗺𝗺. But I love this wall art here. It used to be over there until Christmas came. And now a lot of you said it should be here and my TV should be on this wall. So that's what I'm thinking of doing. It makes sense, and I feel like you dolls were right. It's gorgeous here. All I'm going to do is I'm going to change that back to elbeeldn instead of 𝗬𝗏𝗺𝗺, which means life in pink in French. That's what it means. It just looks gorgeous here. Like if I step back, I just love this, how my living room looks like, just so fresh. Like I love it. It feels very floral, very pretty, and all that's missing is the chandelier, which we're installing this year. So I can't wait. Now let's get into the dining table. So there's something I want to show you. You see these over here? I made them. I have a DIY on my TikTok and on my shorts. Can you believe it's on my YouTube shorts? Can you believe they made these candlesticks? They're from Dollar Tree, and I made them out of napkins, floral napkins, and I just added these bows. It just looks so classy in here. It goes with the whole floral theme. I love it. They're going to be on my tablescape for my birthday party. And I feel like it's a good idea for like a Galentine's Day event as well. If you do like a little Galentine's Day thing, they just look so cute. Look, even with the floral wall art in the background, they look so pretty. I'm just loving my living room lately. I can't believe I just said dining table. You dolls need to hurry up and see my dining table. I need to show it because I keep talking about it. Coffee table. I'm obsessed with my dining table. That's why I keep saying the word dining table. But no, seriously, this view here is just so elegant to me. I love my living room. I love it better than my last living room. It's just so big and so pretty. I love the whites and pinks, the florals. We're probably going to change these flowers again. You know, I'm always changing stuff in my apartment. So that is I was going to say dining table again, coffee table. So that's what I did with that. So Christmas is gone, the tree. Dolls, let's look on this side. So on this side, I brought back my lamp. That is just, I love it. It's so old Hollywood glam, my tall, fluffy ruffle lamp. That is back in here. I have this, my mirror is back in here. So the tree was here. I didn't want to have the mirror there. So that's why you see the mirrors back there, my 6-foot mirror. And then I have this at the bottom here. I don't know what to do with this area, whether to have a table. I don't know what to put in this back. So we're still deciding, but I feel like the TV can go on the wall. I don't know. And I don't know whether I'm going to add curtains here. Like, I'm not sure yet. So that is that. But this is how the living room looks like. The tree is gone. It feels so fresh. Doesn't it feel fresh in here, dolls? Tell me if you feel fresh looking at this video. But yes, this is how everything is looking. There's going to be more changes. I'm trying to enjoy it here before Valentine's Day decor fully takes over. Okay, so we are done with the living room. Now we are gonna do the kitchen. I feel like that's the saddest part because it's so pretty. Like I don't want to move it. But there's something about New Year where you don't want clutter. Like sometimes Christmas decorations can get so overwhelming after a while. Like after 4 weeks in, you just start to be like, I don't want to look at this view anymore. Like I want cleanness back in. And then when you take it down, you're like, I can't wait to decorate for the new year, like the new Christmas coming up. Like we're never satisfied, I feel like. So, and also because this kitchen went viral on TikTok, like this was so widely shared this year, like it's gonna be sad to take it down. Like I'm literally crying, but let's go and do it. I'm ready to have my kitchen back for now, because Valentine's Day will be next. Like, I'm decorating early this year, so next week we're gonna have a video. Well, this week, probably when you're watching this, after it's gonna be coming up, the video for Valentine's Day. So let's go and do it. Let's take it down. Just wanted to do like a little quick video, basically taking down Christmas in my apartment and also showing you my new year look here going on, like freshness. I hope it inspires you to hurry up and take down your Christmas tree. So this is it. This is the little changes going on in here. I will show you my kitchen right now, but it's already messy. You know what? Real life. Let me show you. Bit messy in here. We've got food on top of here. This is real life, so I'm going to just show you. Like, it is just messy. I'm living. I have like, it just, I'm so happy it's back to normal though. Like, it really is. Oh, let me show you something. I have something I want to show you in the corner, dolls. 1 second. So over here is my little area, this little corner here. I want to have my little wine stuff going on. Stay tuned. I'm going to have a wine bar decorating video coming up. So you see here, I have this pearl wine holder, which all of you have been obsessed with since I showed it around Christmas. My wine will sit inside that, and then I have my wall art here for wine. I have the press for champagne. I have these pink wine glasses that I got from Ross, and they were like $4, I believe. They're so cheap. And I just love it. I'm going to put them, this is going to be, I'm thinking of keeping this here permanently, this look going on. I am not sure yet. I need to think. But this is where my wine bar in my kitchen will be for now. I actually have a bar cart, so they're probably going to go back there, but we're going to do a video decorating my wine bar. So stay tuned for that, my loves. But yeah, kitchen is back to normal. Kitchen is back to normal. It is so yeah, that is how my kitchen is looking so far. A lot of cleaning up to do. Like, I have something on the stove. I'm boiling hot water. Real life. I have and my coffee. Just made some morning coffee. Yeah, a lot to do. This is new additions. You just haven't seen this. Look, I added bows on these. I can't wait to decorate for Valentine's Day. And I just have coffee that I need to throw out on the side there. What else? What else do I have to show you? Oh, restocking. So I'm going to be restocking these possibly on TikTok. Look, I'm going to be restocking this because these jars, a lot of them need to be thrown out. So do you dolls want me to do one on YouTube? Let me know. I would possibly do it on YouTube, but let me know. I'm possibly going to do a restocking video. I love my jars. Like, they're just like the highlight of my kitchen. Like, look, dolls, I just realized I have this cute thing that I ordered. I never got to show you dolls this, but this Paris Hilton popcorn maker. And I had an idea to do like a girly, like cozy night at home, like planning, because I noticed you dolls love videos like that when I like post it in my shorts. But look, I have these little pink popcorn holders. And look, the Paris Hilton, everything Paris Hilton, I love it. I love Paris Hilton stuff. So I have this popcorn maker that I got and I've never shown it. So I thought maybe we can do a video like that. What do you dolls think? Let me know. I have so many ideas, but I also want to know what you dolls think. What do you want to see this year? Like, I really want to know. Like, comment in the comment section, utilize my comment section and let me know. That's the only way I'd know when you guys tell me what kind of videos you want to see. But I have an idea for a girly movie night. What do you think? So that is that, dolls. That is my apartment cleaned from Christmas, restored back to its normal look, and I feel like it's a new look. I feel like this is different. I love it. It feels so spring, so new year, freshness. I absolutely love it. It's a short video, but I hope you dolls enjoyed it, and I hope it makes you try to start cleaning your apartment and back to normal. I enjoyed taking you dolls along with me. Any time spent with you dolls is an amazing time for me. So thank you for spending the day with me and, you know, cleaning my apartment back to normal. Thank you so much. I love you dolls so much. And now it's time for the outro and the secret word. Let's do this. Dolls, we have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Have you taken down your Christmas decor? Let me know in the comment section down below. You have some time to do it. Have it up for as however you want it up. Also, not secret emoji, but like a not secret question. What should I call this? I just want to ask you dolls a question. When is it appropriate to take down your decorations? Have you done it a long time ago? Do you do it in February? Do you do it in July? When do you take down your Christmas decorations? Comment that in the comment section down below. And then let's do the secret emoji of this video. So the secret emoji of this video, if you're new to my channel, in every video we have a secret emoji. It helps me know who has been watching to the end of the video, and you basically comment it in the comment section down below. So the secret emoji for this video, because we're doing like a refresh and cleaning, I'm going to do, and it's Christmas stuff that we're putting away. I am going to do let's do the Christmas tree. This is getting on my nerves. The Christmas tree emoji with a laundry basket, because, you know, refresh, cleaning, putting away stuff. Put those two in the comment section down below if you've watched to the end and you're right here. It helps me know who watches to the end. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have fun taking down your decorations as well. Make it fun. Thank you so much for watching. I love you dolls so much with all my heart. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. The Valentine's Day Decorate With Me is going to be up next on this channel. I can't wait. You dolls are gonna love it. If you loved Christmas in my apartment, you love my Christmas decor, you're gonna love my Valentine's Day decor. Just stay tuned. I don't know when I'm gonna post it, but it's gonna be probably this week or next. So enough of me in this sleeve. Bye dolls. Smooches. See ya. Bye.